Hello guys, hope all of you are taking good care of yourself. So yeah, today's video is about the teenage skincare regime, and yes, I hope this will be useful. But before that, yes, there will be also a video on Bioderma sunscreen pretty soon on my channel, so don't get disheartened if you have voted for that one. So yeah, let's get started. Before diving deep into skincare, let's talk about some of the important factors which contribute to your skin health. The first being exercise. Now, I have been exercising for almost more than a year now. It helps me stay sane, it helps me relax, and at the same time, it helps me being very cool throughout the day. Actually, you don't need to exercise necessarily, but being active throughout the day also will do the job. At least exercising for 2 to 3 days in a week will help improve your skin texture, your skin health, and overall those bad cystic acne which I used to get in 2019. I have really got rid of all of those after exercising almost daily. Now, the second factor which really contributes to your skin health is having a good sleep cycle and sleeping for 7 to 8 hours in a day. Now, I know you all are very busy in your studies, or you might be busy watching Netflix, but this one really helps. Trust me, guys. The third one is diet, and obviously, I don't want you to miss out all those good things in life. You need to really enjoy your meal, and I am not telling that you avoid all the unhealthy things, but yes, just make sure that you are eating healthy for at least 2 to 3 days in a week, if not 7 days, and yes, that will really help you. So those are about the lifestyle factors. Now coming to skincare, I have kept all the items which I have showcased in this video under a budget, and all of them are tested by me, so you can trust them. And also I have kept it very simple for you guys, because you don't need all those complex serums for yourself. Like, I have been following this routine actually myself, and it really like, it was a no nonsense routine and I really liked it, and that's why I came up with this video, because I've been using all these items in my skincare and there was no active whatsoever in my skincare regime, and it really worked very well. So trust me guys, you always need to keep it simple. The more simple it is, the more easy for you to maintain it. Now, as for cleansers, I have two favorites, one being Cipla Salicylic Face Wash and another being Kaya Salicylic Acid Based Face Cleanser. These are for oily skin, and if you have dry skin, you can go for Cleanse Me. Now, coming to moisturizers, I have quite a few favorites in this category. The first being Excella for oily skin, also Aqua Oats is equally good for oily skin or normal skin, and the third one being Simple, but I have kept it at the last because this is not readily available in the market all the time. Now, if you have fungal acne and if you suffer from extremely oily skin, I think you can go for Sebamed Clear Face Care Gel. Apart from that, if you have dry skin, I will ask you to go for Moschino moisturizers. These all moisturizers come under a budget, and that's why I'm recommending all of this to you, and they are equally very good moisturizing agents. I'll ask you to skip the toners, and as for sunscreen, I will obviously ask you to go for zinc oxide based sunscreen such as Suncross or Requil tinted zinc oxide sunscreen. These are tinted sunscreens, but the Suncross soft one is really good for normal skin. Now, as for actives, I will ask you to go for Peroclean or benzoyl peroxide gel. This is a spot treatment and you could also apply it throughout your face. And the second being Acidum 10%, and the third one being a clindamycin gel of your choice. So these are generally the actives which I would absolutely recommend you all guys. As for lip balms, I will ask you to go for the Degas lip balm. The beetroot is one which I will prefer. The spirulina one is equally moisturizing. And yes, I have a third favorite which is Biotic lip butter, which is equally good. Avoid all this DIY face mask because those are really not good for your skin, and especially you don't need all of those. If at all you need, you can put a clay mask. And the second thing which you need is aloe vera gel, which you have to keep in the refrigerator because this gives a soothing feeling. That is what I use it for. So I always apply on my inflamed skin whenever I feel like my face like I have pimples, and this is good for teenagers as well. So this is the only face mask I would ask you to apply. Yeah, if you are suffering from intense acne, then I think you should visit your dermatologist, and your dermatologist can recommend.